This is How-Tos with Aaron. Struggling to drill through a tile? Might be because you have one of these bits. It's a carbide tip drill bit, and it can do pretty good if you're drilling through ceramic tile, but porcelain is much harder, and you can spend about 20 minutes trying to drill one hole and you end up just burning the bit. But there's a drill bit that will do it, and this is it. It's a hole saw bit that's a 1/4 inch size, diamond tip hole saw bit. Works way better, way faster. You can drill a hole in less than a minute through porcelain tile. They do have them at Lowe's and Home Depot. They're just kind of hiding in the drill bit section. I got this one off of Amazon for about $14, and it is so much better. So let's give this a shot. That's how I do it, and that's how you can do it. Be blessed. Check out my channel for other cool videos.